Hi everybody, guess what? Today, this is a Dieselducy-Inspired video of the vintage best padlock. Here's what a padlock looks like. This is the front, this is the back. Here are the keys. This is the operating key. And this is the control key. Now watch this. I'm going to use the operating key for the padlock demonstration. So here it goes. See this? Now watch this again. This pops out pretty good. And it's a good snap in. Here is a demonstration of the control key, and this key could even control by pulling out the core of the padlock. Now watch this demonstration. You're gonna have to turn it clockwise in order to pull out the core. Now watch this. It can pull very slowly, but it's pretty stiff. I just thought it would be loose, but yeah. Oh, what do you know? Here's the core. Pretty nice. And now, watch this again. There you have it. Here's the core. Well, everybody, what do you think of this padlock?